Hi, welcome to week one. This is our introduction to data science. We're going to be talking this week, really introducing the concepts of data, information, knowledge, and wisdom, and how those build on each other, and how we really use our access to data, our understanding of that data, and our ability to manipulate and sort of ferret out information from that data in order to build knowledge and to build wisdom. And so what we're going to be doing this week is digging into, first off, downloading the actual R tool. So both R and the RStudio tool sets, which will be sort of key for a lot of work that we're going to be doing this entire term. So we'll be digging into that. We'll crack open the textbook either online, or if you've gotten your own copy, you can use it for R for data science, and going through that a little bit. But what I've got this week really is I'm walking you through a couple of very specific exercises that'll really focus on rapidly getting you up to speed on variables and functions and things like that along within the R framework, so that you can get some pretty quick understanding of how to manipulate data within that framework. It'll be a lot of work, so you got to follow along, get started. Don't wait until the last minute to get this stuff started, because there's a lot going on this week. But at the end of the week, you should be in a pretty good place to talk about data, to talk about how we get after data, and to understand how we can use the R tool set to start doing some of that. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. There will be a discussion question 2 related to the overall data and information and wisdom, kind of relationship between that, and how in your experience, what those differences are, and how you can best use all those different areas to forward a business. So that'd be that discussion question, and then the assignment itself will be a fairly extensive sort of muscling through a lot of the R stuff that you've learned this week. So like I said, we'll go ahead and get started, and good luck on the first week.